Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with a 10-inch nonstick skillet and preheat to medium-low so the surface is warm but not smoking. In a bowl, whisk 2 eggs with 1 teaspoon water and 1/8 teaspoons salt until uniform. Water creates steam for fluffiness. Pour eggs into the pan and let set for 10-15 seconds, then gently stir every 15-20 seconds with a silicone spatula to form soft curds. Maintain low heat and remove when slightly underdone. Residual heat will finish them in about 30 seconds. For a zero-fat, hands-off option, use the steam bag method. Beat 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons milk and 1/8 teaspoons salt, then transfer into a heavy-duty zip-top bag or silicone pouch and remove excess air before sealing. Preheat water to about 180 degrees F and fully submerge the sealed bag. The gentle steam cooks eggs evenly without sticking. After 2-3 minutes, check for doneness. Total time in water will be 4-6 minutes, depending on desired firmness. Carefully open the bag and fold eggs for a soft scramble. Microwave and oven techniques scale well when avoiding oil. For single servings, whisk 2 eggs with 1 tablespoon water, pour into a microwave-safe bowl, and cook on 50% power for 45-60 seconds, stirring at 30 seconds to prevent hot spots. For larger batches, use a 9-inch baking dish and bake at 350 degrees F for 12-15 minutes until set. A non-stick or silicone dish reduces sticking. Always monitor times and use lower power or brief rests to avoid rubbery eggs. Fold or stir gently before serving for a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.